Welcome back with me, Cindy Budiman. In this video, I will tell you about how to cook the vegetables. Okay, check it out! First, wash and cut the vegetables. Second, chop the garlic and shallots. Enter the bird's eye shallots. Chop again. Third, enter the vegetables. Stir well. Add salt and powdered chicken stock to taste. 4. Pour a little hot water when shouting in. Cook until done using medium heat. And finally, remove the vegetables and put on a plate and then ready to eat. This is a tutorial from me. Thank you. Bye.
Hi everyone, my name is Veronica Sijawa and I want to say for you guys to how to make sayur kangkung from bitong. Let's get started.
Nah guys, first you can prepare sayur kangkung and then onion, garlic, tomato, sugar, oil, white pepper, masako, and you can put royco, salt, green chili, little bit ginger, red chili, and daun salam. Step 1, you can put oil on the pan. Next, you can put onion and garlic together. Nah, you can mix garlic and onion sampai warnanya merah. And you can put together daun salam, chili, and ginger. Now guys, you can mix everything ingredients in pan sampai baunya wangi. Terus you can put sayur kangkung and mix everything in here. Now guys, don't forget to put seasoning, and if you finish put seasoning, you can mix all the things in here sampai rata. You can diamkan sampai 2 or 3 minutes. If you done cook, you can angkat and you can plating. Nah guys, sayur kangkung is already finished and you can try this because it's very simple and healthy and delicious.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I wish you are happy for watching this video. Thank you guys. God bless. Bye.
Way of making. Enter the egg into the glass, then
Okay guys, now we will learn to how to make omelette egg. Material needed: 1 oil, 2 egg, 3 fork, 4 pan.
here
How to make omelette egg.
evenly distributed.
Turn on the stove.
You have given it to the pan.
and put pan on the stove. Pour a little oil
Then wait
in
a
the
few
pan.
minutes. Then turn egg with it become. My oil
Make oil hot
not hot.
and then the egg and broken up in the plate.
My egg finished.
Pour a little salt and mix.
First, break the egg. Input in a glass the stir. Add a light salt and pichin.
After that, pour egg
After that,
in the
enter
pan
in
oil.
into
Hot.
the pan. Fill it with hot oil. Masukkan ya.
And then make sure the egg is not
Then
scorched,
turn the egg over
but
then
cooked
dry.
done.
Hot. My egg. Okay, my egg finisher. Finisher my egg. Thank you.
Take out from the pan. And then ready to serve. Finish. Thanks and God bless you.
Good job!